My buddy.
Buenos dias.
Yeah,
How
it's
you
gonna
got
make the
going
final
for?
cut.
Mill and fill, mill and fill.
Asphalt milling, also known as cold planing, is the process of removing a layer of asphalt using a machine with a grinding drum to grind down the asphalt to a specific depth. After the milling machine has removed the layer of asphalt, all debris must be cleaned out of the patch. A mechanical sweeper makes the cleaning process much easier. Once the mill area is clean of dirt and debris, a coat of tacking oil is applied to all existing pavement surfaces to allow the new asphalt to lock in properly. A new layer of hot asphalt is then dropped and placed and raked to the proper height to account for compaction and density. The last step of the mill and fill process is to compact the new asphalt layer using a steel drum roller to follow a very precise rolling pattern that will provide the desired compaction specs.